In other news, a civics group against crime and corruption formed during the Duterte administration and an ex-magistrate of the High Court have joined the chorus urging government to fix the flood control measure mess for good. The latter has recommended offering contractors and the dismissed DPWH engineers admission into the WPP in exchange for pinpointing the brains behind the scam, as our Denise Osorio reports.
Retired Justice Alfredo Ampuan has spoken out, adding his voice to the growing chorus over alleged irregularities in the government's flood control projects. For Ampuan, the principle is stark. Public office is a public trust, and those in government must answer directly to the people.
Public officials and employees must at all times be accountable to the people. Serve the people with utmost responsibility, serve the people with utmost integrity, serve the people with utmost loyalty, and serve the people with utmost efficiency.
He went on to suggest that contractors might even be turned into state witnesses against the masterminds of the scheme, but with a warning. Any such move, he said, must be put under the microscope by the Department of Justice. From civil society, the message is even more blunt. Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption President Arsenio Boy Evangelista described the flood control scandal as nothing less than the biggest daylight robbery in the country's history.
Tawag nga namin dito, the biggest robbery in the history of the nation in broad daylight, because it was done systematically, with impunity. Nakita natin dito kaya nga dapat, it is about time, this is the right time to fight and break the chain of corruption.
Evangelista and his group are highly supportive of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s implementation of an independent, fact-finding commission to lift the lid on the scheme, identify the guilty, and see them face justice.
Ang kailangan po kasi dito, sample may makulong, accountability, yung certainty of jail term. Ang nangyari nga ngayon dito, yung public trust is a public office is a public trust at all times. Pero nangyayari, yung public service, self-service.
Only yesterday, Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong claimed of a well-oiled syndicate running the show in flood control projects, from bidding to design and all the way to implementation.
They can demand about 30-40%. Ganun din yung ibang project na track netting, ang laki-laki dyan, 40%, 35%. Sa flood control, siguro mga nandun sa range na yan, 20-25%. Kasi nga yung markup hindi gaano.
3 voices, 1 message. Unless the law is enforced with fangs, with complete backing from the Marcos Jr. administration, the chain of corruption will remain unbroken. Denise Osorio from the National Television Network for a new and better Philippines.